In the words of Warren Bennett, Rensis Likert is a behavioralist and a revisionist who has made a significant contribution in the theories of organizational humanism. Now, he is well-known theoretician of the human relation school as well. Now, he is also considered one of the pioneers in developing the means of measuring human variables. Now, what are these variables? We will discuss later on. Now, the major work of Rensis Likert includes the publication of New Patterns of Management in 1961, the Human Organization, which was published in 1967, and also the New Ways of Managing Conflict, that was published in 1976. Now, Likert has described organization as an interaction influence system. Now, as a guideline for his research and also to clarify his concepts, he has given the 4 systems of management. Now, what are these 4 systems? Let us talk about. Now, the first system, that is the system 1 management, is also known as the exploitative authoritative. Now, in this system management, the managers are highly authoritarian. That is, they are highly autocratic. Now, they have a very low trust and confidence in the subordinates. Now, they try to apply the carrot and stick theory, that is the motivation. Now, they try to motivate people through the fear and punishment method. Now, the communication process in this system is downwards, that is from top to bottom. Now, the decisions or the decision making process is only vested in the top level, and the lower level of the people that are in the lower level in the organization are excluded from the decision making processes. Now, the second system, which is also known as the benevolent authoritative. Now, in this system, the managers have the condescending trust and confidence in the subordinates. Now, they try to motivate people through the rewards with some sort of punishment and with also some sort of fairness. Now, the communication is upward. The communication process is upward, that is they try to listen to the ideas and opinions from the subordinate. Now, there is an interaction, there exists some interaction between the subordinates. They try to hear their ideas and opinions. Now, they try to delegate some authorities of the decision making process at the lower level also, with the closed policy control.